It's phonics time! Ear, ear, ear. Today we will learn the ear sound. Let's see words with ear. Ear, ear, ear. I have 2 ears. Year, year, year. This year is 2021. Here, here, here. I can hear everything. And now, what is this? Good job! It's beard. The man has a black beard. Good job! It's fear. The girl has a lot of fear. Let's read together now. T, ear. Tear, tear. The boy is crying. He has tears. Sp, ear, spear, spear. They use spear in war. Now you try to read alone. We have finished the ear sound. See you next time! Learn more by visiting our website kidsactivities.online and downloading the application.